Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I have, of course, another Sephora and Ulta haul. So this is mainly just the Ulta haul. I do have about 4 things from Sephora. What did I just punch myself in the mouth? I do have about 4 things from Sephora in this bag. As you can see, this bag is quite large and in charge, so there is a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit to get through. So let's go ahead and jump into the haul. Alright, so first things first, I have this Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. This is Morphe's version of like the Beauty Blender. Mine's dirty because I actually used mine today to apply my makeup. I purchased this when it first came out a few years ago, and I don't know whatever happened to it. I may have thrown it out, I may have lost it. I don't know, but I stopped having it. I don't know. And I don't know why I never repurchased it, because using it, I really do like it. The only thing I don't like is it's not as skinny up here as my Beauty Blender, so trying to blend out my concealer is a little bit of a hassle, but I can just go online and buy the other one if I really want to. These are only $7, which is really, really cool. Alright, so the next product, this is from Soap & Glory. This is their hand food. This is their hand cream that they sell. I needed another hand cream for my purse, and I already have the large one of this, so I was like, might as well just buy the mini one for $4 and just throw it in my purse, so that's that. The next product is from LA Girl. This is their Pro Coverage HD Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. I got mine in the shade Whiten. I got this because I have the shade Fair, which is the shade after this technically, and it's too dark. It's more like a medium, not a fair shade, and I actually really like this foundation, but I can only wear it when I have a tan, which is, I live in the north, and it's barely ever sunny here because it seems like winter is just never ending. So I'm 90% of the year I'm pretty fair. So I bought this to go ahead and lighten up the fair color, which it does. I'm wearing it right now. It is still a little too dark. I didn't mix enough of this in with it today, but that's fine, no big deal. Who cares? So the next product, this is from Smashbox. This is their collab with Nicole Concilio. This is their Photo Finish Primer Water in the scent. In the scent Centering Citrus. I really enjoyed their original primer water, and when I saw that they were coming out with the scented one, I was like, yes, please give it to me. This was one of the only ones that I really liked. The other ones didn't smell horrible. I actually don't know the names of the other ones, but this is the one that I really enjoyed. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just so adorable. Oh, I love it. Alright, the next product, I just did a first impressions on this. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer SPF 50. Yeah, I don't know why I wrote it like that. But this is the It Cosmetics new like full coverage moisturizer. If you guys saw that video, I really do like this so far. I'm still testing it out. That was just the first impressions. So I'm still testing it out. That's why it's still in the box, just in case down the line in a week or so I turn out not liking it. I can always return it. But yeah, so far so good. If you're looking for a moisturizer that's full coverage, so it also has SPF, this one is so far working out pretty well. I like it. Alright, so the next product is a lip product. This is from LA Girl. This is their matte flat velvet lipstick. This is in the shade Ooh La La, I think. This is what the lipstick looks like. This reminds me, honestly, of MAC Myth. I put it on before. I actually filmed a video before I'm filming this one, and I put it on before and I was like, whoa. That is nude. That is like, I am a dead girl and I don't want to look dead. So that's what that looks like. I put a gloss over top, but I like the formula of this. This actually isn't a bad formula. The next product is also from LA Girl. This is like a whole like LA Girl like review and like whatever. This is the LA Girl Pro Powder HD Definition Setting Powder. This is the banana yellow. I have used this 2 or 3 times. My cat keeps meowing, and I keep thinking I'm hearing things, but like it's my cat meowing. Oh my god. Moment of silence for the cat's meow. Alright, so this is in the shade Banana Yellow. I have used this about 3-4 times already, and I really, really like this. I have been enjoying drugstore setting powders lately. Let me tell you, and this happens to be one of them. I really like this. I like the color it gives. I like the way it looks. I like the way it makes my under eyes look, and I believe this powder is like $5. So if you're in the market for a banana powder or a new powder, check this out. Alright, so the next product, this is another cream. This is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. Intense hydration, skin protectant with fab antioxidants booster, used to help hydrate parched skin, relieve minor irritation due to eczema and other conditions for the face and elsewhere. Features for safe, sensitive skin, and yeah. So this is from First Aid Beauty. I have had this a few times and I do really enjoy it. I like it for my face. I like it when I travel and I'm on the plane. And I'm like, I remember I used this a few years ago when I went to California because I knew I was going to be on the flight for like 6 hours, and my skin actually stayed moisturized, and I really like this. I use it for my hands and I use it for my face, and I just had to pick it up again because I was like, wow, it's been a while since I've had it. And this is in the the scent pink grapefruit. It smells amazing. So, alright, so the next product is from Flower Beauty. This is their Flower Pots powder blush in the shade Peach Primrose. This is what it looks like. It's the blush that I have on my cheeks today. I've never tried anything from Flower Beauty. Well, on mine. I tried their concealer, but the concealer wound up being way too dark for me, so I had to like take it off, so that doesn't even technically count as me trying it. I don't think, at least. But this is what the color looks like. I love a peachy blush. Let me just swatch this for you. So that's like what it looks like. It's very faint. I'm wearing it today. I enjoy these types of blushes, and I really liked it. So the drugstore is like winning my heart recently. I love it. Alright, so the next product, this is from Dose of Color. This is their Lip It Up Satin Lipstick in the shade Butterscotch. This is what the packaging looks like. And then, can you guess what color it is? It's like, it's a nude, of course. So this is what the outside of the package looks like, and then this is what the actual lipstick looks like. I saw this and I was like, this is a Danielle lipstick. That's it, just swatched right there. Like, I love these types of color. My friend was like, you really need to stop like wearing lipsticks. You need to like branch out. And I was like, I try, but like I can't help it. I just love nude lipsticks, and I can't. Pinky nudes, brown nudes, like, love them all. Alright, the next product, this one is from Essence. This is their Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. This is what it looks like. I've been using this a few times. I used it today, actually, in substitute for my MAC Fix Plus to intensify my eyeshadow, and I really, really liked it. So I've been using it to set my face as well when I go to work and stuff, and I definitely do think it like locks in your makeup. Like, I've had this makeup on since like 11 o'clock this morning, and it is 6:43 at night, and my face still looks good, and I took a nap. It's amazing, right? But yeah, so I really do like this, and I think it's like $3. Essence is definitely one of my like top drugstore brands. I love a lot of their stuff, and this is added to the list now. So the next 4 products, 2 out of the 4 are lip liners, and then 2 of the 4 are eyeliners. So we'll start with the eyeliners. This one is from NYX. This is the NYX Wonder Pencil. This you can like use to conceal. It's like weird, right? You can actually use this little guy to conceal. This is what it looks like. It's this line right there. Can you see it? It's very faint. This is a, what's the shade of this? This is Light Clair. This is like a, what am I looking for? This is a nude, like, eyeliner. Instead of like a white one, this is a nude one. So I don't know if you guys watch my tutorials, but I typically always put a white eyeliner in my waterline. I love that. I love the way it opens up the eyes. And I was like, let me switch it up and get a nude one. So far so good. The eyeliner is from LA Girl. This is a white eyeliner now. This one is their gel, I think. I don't even know what this is even called. It looks like this. The packaging is like ripped, so I can't see. This is in the shade Whiten. I got this because I usually use the ColourPop one, but for some reason lately, it has been irritating my eyes like crazy. Like, whenever I wear it, my eyes are so irritated and just itchy and burning, so I was like, let me stop wearing that for a while and like try something new. So I've been using this one. This is what it looks like right here, and it's pretty much the same exact thing. It is a bright white eyeliner. I'm wearing it in my waterline today, and so far, so good. I like this a lot, honestly. So the next two products are lip liners. This one is from NYX, and this is in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. This is, of course, like a brownie nude. It's right there. I just swatched it right there. I really like the formula of this. I used it a few days ago, and it just goes on so smooth. You know how some eyeliners like skip on your lips and it just makes it a pain in the butt, and you're just like, oh, like I don't even care anymore? No, this was so nice and smooth, and it just, oh, I really liked it. And then the next one is from Catrice. This is the lip foundation pencil in the shade, what shade is this? I guess Casanova? I don't even know. It's not Casanova, but it's Casanova, I think. This is another, it's right there, that skinny line. This is another like pinky nude type of thing. As you can probably guess, that's like my go-to, that's my comfort zone. So yeah, I really do like these two. I have been very into buying a lot of drugstore makeup lately and trying a lot more drugstore makeup, and I'm not disappointed in it, to be honest with you. I really am enjoying a lot of the stuff that I've been trying out lately. Okay, so that completes the Ulta portion of this haul. So now moving on to the Sephora portion of it. The first thing is from Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. This is blurs the looks of pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. Primes with silk powder for long-lasting, flawless makeup. Protects skin from makeup and pollution. Color corrects with a universal shade for a healthy, soft, focused glow. Anti-aging. So let's open this and show you guys what it looks like. I used this in my last video when I tried out the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. I'm still trying this out because I don't know if I'm like crazy about it yet, but look at the packaging. How beautiful is that? It comes with this little like spatula thingy to like dip into the product, so you can, instead of using like your fingers, which is really nice, I think. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I've only used it like once or twice, but I don't have really like thoughts on it just yet, but I'm just like so in love with the packaging. Like, so beautiful. So the next thing is a repurchase of mine, like a restock kind of. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. If you guys saw my 2017 yearly favorites, you would know that I love this primer. This is definitely, out of all the primers, I think, like my number one, I want to say. I know that when I use this primer that my makeup is going to turn out exactly how I want it, and it's going to last all day. This primer doesn't fail me, ever. So this is what it looks like. It's just like the lavender primer that Becca sells. I really like it. It's moisturizing. If you guys are drier or like normal skin like me, definitely check this out. I really swear by this primer, honestly. So the next product is from Drunk Elephant. This is their Rise and Glow little like combo set. If you guys have heard of Drunk Elephant, it is a very, very pricey skincare brand from Sephora. And when I try out skincare brands, since they are more on the pricey side, in my opinion, I really like to get like the little travel ones. So this is what comes in there. It comes with two little Drunk Elephant things. It comes with a C Firmer Day Serum. So it's like a firming serum, and then a B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. So on the directions it says that you can use alone or mix them together. So I am trying these out. I think this little duo was like $23, which, I mean, for these two is kind of pricey, honestly. You only get 0.27 in each, but I think each of them like retails for like $80 or $90. So to get two of them for $23, it's, you know, it's not too bad. But yeah, so I actually use these today, and obviously you can't see a significant difference in your skin when you only use the skincare product one time. So I'm definitely still trying this out. And the last thing that I haven't tried yet that I'm so excited to try, this is a new product. I think it came out like a few weeks ago maybe. This is from Laura Mercier. This is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer. This is the packaging. This is that new concealer that she came out with that like everybody is raving about. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm super excited because, in case you guys don't know, my ride or die is the Tarte Shape Tape. I am completely obsessed with that one. That one I just like, I know it's going to do the job. I know it's going to last all day. I know it's full coverage. I know it's really not going to crease. So this one, let me read you the claims of this guy. This long-wearing, high-performance, weightless concealer gives 12 hours of medium to full coverage. That's crease transfer and water resistant. Conceals under eye and face while blurring the looks of imperfections. Now that sounds like my type of concealer. So I'm super excited to give this one a try. I have really been enjoying the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. I think that's what it's called. Whatever, her foundation. So I'm super excited to use both of them together and like see how it works. I'm really excited to see if this is as good as my Tarte Shape Tape, because Tarte Shape Tape is pretty good. By the way, I got mine in the shade 1N. This is one of the lighter, like the second lightest shade, I think, or something like that. So that is the end of this Ulta / Sephora haul. Well, mainly Ulta haul. But yeah, I have, as you can see, a ton of products behind me. And like I always say in every video, I'm a makeup junkie. I always am buying makeup. If you guys saw my collection, you would be like, you really need to chill, girl. Like, you have a lot. But I'm always buying, I'm always trying new stuff because I love it. I love to see what brands come out with, and I love to see what's better than the last. You know what I mean? Like, what's the best new thing, or what's the next best thing? I'm always like looking for new stuff, and I'm like such a makeup junkie. It's like so horrible. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you, I guess, like my videos, right? But yeah, so that completes this one, and thank you for watching once again, and I hope to see you in my next one.